forest. Uh-oh, there's a flock of sheep blocking the road. Honk the horn to drive the sheep away. Whoa, the sheep are driver's seat. Let's go take photos in the forest. Tap on the squirrel. Great! This time, let's take pictures of woodpecker, brown bear. Look for it. Where are all the things? Found it! Brown bear. Rabbit. Brown bear. Look for it. Where are all the things we want to photo? Found it. That's it. Fox. It's here. Hurry up and take a picture of it. That's it. Let's record what we've just... Let's put the photo on. Ginkgo leaves have all turned yellow in autumn. The ginkgo leaves can be made into wings of a butterfly. How pretty! Let's stick the wings onto the butterfly. Wow, it's so beautiful! Squirrel! The pine tree is about to bear pine cones. Pick some pine cones and feed them to the squirrel. How many pine cones can the squirrel hold in its mouth? There's 7 pine cones in its mouth. Let's build a nest for the squirrel. Fallen leaves. Dry twigs. The squirrel uses its mouth to carry food. It has put the pine cones into its nest. Woodpecker. Woodpeckers are good at catching insects. Let's help it create a hole in the tree. In autumn, the insects hide in the tree trunks. Woodpeckers can eat them through the holes they make. The woodpecker ate a lot of insects. Thank you. Brown bear. The brown bear is hungry. Feed the bear some meat. Fish. Berries. The brown bear is full. It wants to sleep now. It's all recorded. You are... Go back to the kindergarten. Passenger area. Outside driving. Driver's seat. Put the goods in the right place. Peaches. Apples. Eggplants. Grapes. Corn. Pears. Thank you. This is kindergarten. Kids, come help me tidy up the toys.